I don't understand the high rating for this product. I think $30 is excessive for what it is. The display is very blurry. From a distance, you can make out the numbers, but the other symbols, I can't see them unless I get really close because the plastic, it just blurs everything. I was able to set everything up, including the alarms, and find all the features without reading the manual because there are a ton of buttons, one for each thing. You have two separate alarms, but they are not digital. They are hard switched. So the alarms can only be set for Monday to Sunday, Monday to Friday, and Saturday and Sunday. You can choose to run one or both alarms. The alarms are customizable, so you can just have the light come on, light and sound come on, or the radio, and you can customize the brightness of the light, how much time the light gets brighter prior to the wake up time, and the sound of the alarm as well, the volume of the alarm. Probably the best thing about this is the lighting features. I think they're kind of neat, but not something that we're really going to use. I got it for a 7-year-old for waking up, so the light would be on and he would know it was time for him to get out of bed. The sounds on it, so for $30, if the sounds were good and I could use this for white noise to replace his white noise machine and use as an alarm clock, it would be worth the $30, but the sounds are honestly creepy. The crickets are fine, but not something my kid can sleep to. It has an owl hooting as well, which is kind of eerie. This is supposed to be a campfire, but it sounds like somebody creeping towards your camp and snapping logs as they're coming up on your tent. The birds, I just don't know how anybody could sleep to this. This is maybe the creepiest one. I have no idea what this is, but it scared my kid. The ocean's not too bad, but the seagulls are horrible. The water splashing isn't too bad, but the rain is okay, but it has thunder, which scares my kid. I personally wouldn't mind sleeping with rain and thunder. Again, I don't know how anybody could sleep to this, or... So the sounds are not great. The sound quality also not the best. It's a neat idea. I think it would be better if the alarms were digital to be more customizable, but being able...
Okay, this is a very cool alarm clock. You can set the time, has different sounds, moods, mood lighting. So here's some mood lighting. Here's C1. C2, it's hard to see. It doesn't really show you the different colors. Let me try this. Okay, well, it doesn't do justice. But this is very cool. There's wake up time. Oh, there we go. Now we can kind of see it. There's off. You can see it change slightly. It's got various sounds. Boy, this is a complicated device. It's got 2 alarms. So I can do Monday through Sunday, Monday through Friday, or Saturday and Sunday. So I have alarm 2 set on Saturday and Sunday, and Monday through Friday for the first alarm. Here's my USB charging. I've got a sleep timer. I do have an FM radio, which I will not be using. It's got this rotary dial that for setting the date and time. So you can see it says 6:44 p.m. right now. It's got alarm 1 set, and it says Sunday. And if I don't like this particular mood lighting, I can hold it for 2 minutes and shut it off. And then you can see the time and all pretty well. So I'm going to use this in the morning to wake up. I'm using the bird chirping sound because it's very high pitched and it's not too obnoxious. It should be just enough to get us awakened in the morning. And yeah, this is going to be a very cool alarm. I'm looking forward to trying it out first thing in the morning, bright and early. Actually, before bright and early, it's going to be dark o'clock. So there we go. I will update this review if anything changes, but it takes a while. Have a little bit of patience when you're getting through the manual, because this does.
Hi, I'm reviewing the Wake Up lamp. This is the updated version. I set it to the ocean sound so I could slowly wake up. You can see how the light gets brighter and the sound begins to intensify. There is also an antenna for the AM/FM alarm and many different settings. There's also a snooze bar.
This alarm clock is awesome. Very easy to set up. You got a couple settings here on the side, on this side, and then in the back as well. And what I really like is just when the light comes on, it comes on slowly. So it gets brighter and brighter and brighter. And it's so nice to wake up to the light rather than loud noise. You can change the colors, have some fun with it. And it's just super easy to use.